Let go. Dang! This shit cruelty. Hey, bro, they coming outside, and I ain't trying to have no police over here. I ain't trying to have no police over here. Break that shit up, bro. Break that shit up. Break that shit up. Hey, talk, bro. Chill out. Both of y'all chill out, bro. Real talk. Man, you got people outside and shit. Chill that shit out. No. Chill out. Oh, let's go. No, chill out. Chill out.
You can't go to jail. Calm down.
Chill out. No. Stop. Brittany, stop. Chill out.
You can't go to jail for some stupid shit. Stop. Just give up.
That's enough.
Just give up.
That's enough. Chill out.
Damn, he's going. Calm shit down.
Time to go.
Get the fuck
That's
out.
enough.
Brittany, please stop.
That's enough. That's enough. Chill out.
Get off me. I'm walking.
No, chill out. Let's go.
All right, John Boy. Go ahead.
Chill out. Another day.
Fall off of me.
Another day. Chill out.
All right, wait.
Okay, get off.
She calm.
No, she not. You see how she trying to run back over there?
Get the fuck off of me.